Hi, this is Steven, the pharmacist at Steveston Medicine Shoppe Pharmacy. So today we're actually going to look at how to actually do a COVID rapid antigen test today. So first of all, why don't we open it up? So in the test kit, there is the buffer solution, the little test tube holder, which holds these test tubes. You will also find, let's see here, swabs for swabbing your nose. And then there's these rapid test cards that you will eventually use to interpret the result. And inside there's also instructions. There's a little instruction card. And there's also a instruction sheet with a lot of writing on it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is there are these collecting tubes that we want to take out from our Ziploc. So we take one out and we have it set up on the test tube rack like that. And the second thing we want to do is take out our solution, which is in another Ziploc bag, individually packed like this. So what we do is we break up, snap it off, and then we want to apply. Alright, so that's ready to go. And then next, what we want to do is the fun part, where we take out one of these swabs. They're all individually wrapped. So we open it up, we take out one of them, and now we're ready to swab. Alright, so now we take the swab and then we basically tilt our head back, and then we're going to insert as deeply as it feels comfortable, and then we want to rotate, do this rotating action for about 5 seconds, 5 times, 5 seconds, and then now we squeeze against your nostril and continue to do this rotating action for another 5 seconds, and then we take it out. And with the same swab, now we do the other side. So insert as deeply as you feel comfortable, rotate for about 5 seconds, compress, and keep rotating for about 5 seconds. Alright, and now the swab is ready to go. Alright, so now what we'll do is with the tube that was previously prepared with the solution, we will dip our swab in there, swirl that around. Basically what we're trying to do is to get the nasal liquid that we just collected from the swab onto the solution, and then what we also want to do is squeeze against the tube like this. Oh, that's about 10 times. Alright, and then before we take it out, we want to squeeze against it so we get the last bit from the swab into the solution. And now this solution is ready to go. And then what we need to do is, from that original Ziploc bag, you will find a little tip that you can insert, and then we get that onto the opening of the tube. So the very last step is we open one of these test kit cards. So we open it up, they're individually wrapped, and then on here you will see a little collecting station, which is right at the bottom, or right, it's a circular shape. So what we do now is we squeeze in the solution that we just collected. So we want 3 drops in there. Maybe a little too much, but there we go. So now we wait for 15 minutes to see our results. So basically, if this letter C has a bar beside it only and nothing beside the letter T, then it's a negative result. But if you have bars beside both C and T, then that's a positive result. I'm seeing something besides C now, but nothing beside the T. So that means I've done this correctly and I don't have COVID.